This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The cabin air filter is located under the center of the instrument panel to the right of the accelerator pedal. Remove the left instrument panel lower cover forward of the center console by prying it with a trim tool, then removing it to gain access to the filter. Remove the cabin air filter cover by unclipping the bottom first, then swing the cover outward and unhook the top. Pull the filter out of the housing. Install the new filter with the arrow marked on the filter pointing up. Install the filter cover, hooking the top end of the cover first, then secure the bottom end. Install the trim cover back in place. Secure the retaining tabs on the cover.